This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brittany Knight. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in the Country Creek neighborhood of Altamonte Springs. The open floor plan offers a spacious bright living area with vaulted ceilings, skylights, and a dining room living room combo perfect for entertaining, gatherings, or quiet evenings. Home features include a split floor plan, with the primary suite located on one side and the 2 additional bedrooms and bathroom on the other. The primary bathroom was updated in 2020 and features a dual sink vanity and a walk-in closet. A glass sliding door opens to a large screened back porch that leads out to a serene, fenced-in yard surrounded by nature, perfect for relaxation. Home upgrades include vinyl flooring, bedroom carpets, water heater, interior and exterior paint done in 2020. Refrigerator, stove, and microwave installed in 2024. The community offers a range of amenities, including 2 pools, 4 playgrounds, 2 tennis courts, 3 picnic areas, walking trails, basketball court, 2 racquetball courts, and a clubhouse. With this centrally located neighborhood, it provides easy access to 434, 436 and I-4. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Knight at 352-455-7711.